Are you looking to wipe your WordPress website completely clean, removing all posts, plugins, and themes, but want to keep your WordPress installation intact, ready for a fresh start? Today I'm going to show you how to do just that using a reliable tool called WP Reset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reset your site safely, efficiently, and without any unnecessary stress. If you've been struggling with leftover clutter from old projects or want a truly blank canvas for your next website, this video is for you. Let's jump right into it. The method we're using is often called a soft reset, and we're going to use a plugin to get the job done quickly without any risky manual database work. Think of it like hitting the reset button on a game. It clears your progress, but keeps the game itself installed and ready for a fresh start. First off, you'll need to add the right plugin to your site. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then find the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Click Add New. Now, in the search bar located at the top right corner, type in WP Reset. You'll see it pop up, usually near the top because it's quite popular. Click Install Now, and once that's done, hit Activate. It's normal here to worry about safety, but WP Reset is well trusted and won't remove your actual WordPress installation, just your site's content. Once you've got WP Reset activated, look to the menu on the left and find Tools. Under Tools, you'll see WP Reset. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the control panel for the plugin where the magic happens. Take a moment to look around so you're comfortable with what you're about to do. Double-check that you really want to erase everything. This process will delete all your posts, pages, and custom post types. It's perfect if you want to start over, but it's permanent, so if there's anything you want to save, make a backup now. Ready? Scroll down until you find the Site Reset section. You'll notice there's a confirmation box here, and for good reason. WP Reset wants to make sure you don't wipe your site by accident. You'll need to type the word reset into that box. Don't rush this part, just take a breath and do it carefully and then click Reset Site. You may see a loading spinner or a brief pause while WP Reset does its thing. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if your site appears to freeze for a second. Now hear what happens. All your posts, pages, and custom post types are completely deleted. But here's an important detail. Your plugins and themes are only deactivated. The files themselves will still be sitting on your server, sort of like having old furniture stored in your garage. If you want to go the extra mile and remove those files entirely, WP Reset makes it easy. Head to the Tools tab within the Plugins settings and you'll see options to delete all themes and delete all plugins. Click those if you want a truly blank slate. It's especially useful if outdated files are causing issues, or if you want peace of mind that nothing unnecessary is hanging around. That's all there is to it. You now have a clean, blank WordPress site. WP Reset is handy for developers, designers, or anyone who wants to refresh their site quickly and securely without meddling in the database manually or harming the WordPress core files. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future WordPress guides. If you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy building.